Two things. What's the future of car culture?
Again, I think it's going to be fantastic. You look at the cars that are being developed, whether it's supercars, the technology, uh, electric, not electric. I just think there's going to continue to be this amazing following. And one of our goals, quite honestly, is to make sure when a young person comes, and when I say young, I mean between call it the ages of 8 and 20. We want to make sure they get to see how much history is here, and that it's not just another old car sitting over there. I want everybody to understand how we got to where we are today. And so I just think car culture is going to continue to be such an important element of a lot of people's being, and the fact that there's this evolution to electric and autonomous and what have you. It's all going to be part of it. But I think when you look at the Jay Leno and all the folks that have car shows, I mean, there's this amazing following, and I think I said it earlier, everybody has a car story, whether you're the mother driving the carpool, or the kid that remembers the next door neighbor that had the hot rod, or what have you. So I think it's here to stay, and the one thing cars give everybody is personal mobility to go anywhere.
The Velocity Autonomous Invitational will be interesting when it occurs.
Well, I can't wait. We've been working on that one because hopefully I want to see we hope to have a race with an autonomous car and a analog with a driver. So we want to have the digital versus the analog, and I'm hoping we can actually get there. We're not quite there yet, but we've talked to a few folks, so we're optimistic that we can have an autonomous race at some point.